Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Hotstar app or geo-linked Hotstar shortcut and sign in so personalized menus appear. Once done, make sure the app is updated. Outdated builds hide UI elements. If you're on TV, switch to the Hotstar app inside Jio Set Top or Smart TV Launcher. For mobile, grant permissions if requested so search suggestions work. This first step exposes the top navigation ribbon where the search control resides. Don't skip signing in, because recommendations and search placement can change when anonymous. Now you find the search button. Look for a magnifying glass icon on the app's top right or within the top navigation. Once you reveal the header, on mobile tap the screen, on TV press the remote's up / menu. You'll see sections like Home, TV, Movies, and a small search icon. Make sure to check inside side menus or the user profile drop-down if the header is compact. If you use cast mode, open the controlling device. The search sits on the casting device's app, not the TV. Finally, tap the magnifying glass and type the show, movie, or actor you want. Use short keywords for faster results and predictive suggestions. Once done, press enter or select on remote to see filtered results and categories. You can refine by genre or language. If the search icon is still missing, clear the app cache, force stop and reopen, or reinstall the app. Reboot the device as a last resort. If problems persist, check for OS updates, because system-level issues can hide app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.